Hello, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, Rafael Cooking Style, my YouTube cooking channel. So today I bring you a light dinner recipe, something quite easy, quite light if you're in a diet or if you want just to eat something light for the dinner. Yeah. I got some zucchini rolls. So first of all, we're gonna cut the slices of zucchini just like that, very thin. For that, my tool was asparagus peeler, and that's it. So the first we need to put to stir fry a little bit the zucchinis just like that. We don't want to burn them, so just like that, quite fast. Once we get them they all look like that. They got a smoky flavor. So we got our sushi mat, and we're gonna just make kind of a leaf. For the sushi leaf, we're gonna replace the sushi leaf with these zucchini slices. So once we finished, then we got here some cream cheese. I got some herbs cream cheese. Yeah. Then we're gonna add some smoked salmon. Of course, you can change it if you don't eat fish or you don't like to eat meat. If you are vegetarian, you can still add veggies there. Yeah. This is very flexible, like most of the thing in the kitchen. Flexibility. It's very important. So we're gonna add some garden cress. Of course, you can use some rucola, some salad or the lettuce or cucumber. There are many options there. We're gonna roll it just like a sushi roll. Then we are gonna slice it into mini rolls, and that's it. You see, not a big deal. You do 3 or 4 of those rolls, and then you got a dinner for 2, light one, very nice. Just funny idea. So I hope you like it. Hit the thumb up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. You see, not a big deal, nothing fancy, but tasty, light for a dinner during the busy days in the week. Now, so take care everyone. Cheers.